the orchard of wisdom. Once upon a time, there used to be a village that was surrounded by beautiful hills. In that village, there was an old and abandoned orchard. The trees in the orchard were peculiar. Each bore different fruits, some familiar and the other were mysterious. Long ago, the villagers valued the orchard, believing that it had ancient wisdom. But as time passed and new farms emerged, the orchard was neglected. One day, a young girl called Aashnaa, who was always curious and thirsty for adventure, decided to explore the orchard. Her friends mocked her for wasting her time on the dead land, but Aashnaa was somehow drawn to the trees. And then Aashnaa started exploring the orchard. At the heart of the orchard, Aashnaa discovered a magnificent and an extraordinary tree. Unlike others, this tree bore multiple kinds of fruits. It had apples, pears, oranges, and some fruits that she had never seen before. There was a small plaque at the base of the tree that read, "Pluck a fruit and it will teach you what you seek to know. But choose wisely, for each fruit offers a different lesson." Aashnaa was doubtful but curious. She decided to taste the fruits. First, she selected a lemon. She plucked a bright yellow lemon from the tree and took a bite. The lemon was bitter and it made her face grim. The tree whispered and said, "Life is not always sweet. Embrace the bitter moments. They make the sweeter ones more precious." That was the first lesson that the tree gave to Aashnaa. Next, Aashnaa chose a bright red apple. She plucked the apple and took a bite, and the sweetness of the apple filled her heart with warmth. And again the voice of the tree spoke. "Cherish the joys of life, no matter how small. Gratitude will multiply your happiness." That was another lesson that the tree gave to little Aashnaa. Next, Aashnaa chose berries that were surrounded by thorns. She pricked her finger while plucking one, but still continued to taste the fruit. Aashnaa was confused with the taste. It was both sour and sweet. She first felt the sourness and then the sweetness came. And the tree spoke again. "Growth often comes through pain. Challenges refine your character and lead to strength." That was another beautiful lesson that the tree gave. At last, Aashnaa chose a golden pear that shimmered like sunlight. She plucked the fruit and took a bite into the juicy flesh of the fruit. It was extremely juicy and sweet, and the tree spoke again. "Wisdom is the ultimate fruit. It grows when you learn from every experience, bitter, sweet, or thorny." That was the final amazing lesson that little Aashnaa got. And then she returned to the village and shared her experience with others. Villagers eventually joined Aashnaa into the orchard, seeking their own lessons from the tree. And slowly, the once abandoned grove now flourished with proper care from the villagers. It became a place of reflection and learning. The tree of many fruits, however, remained a mystery. But its message was clear. Life just like the orchard offers many flavors, each with its own value. The moral of the story is life is a blend of experiences, bitter, sweet, challenging, and enlightening. Embrace every moment with an open heart, for every experience has something to teach, shaping you into the person that you become.